What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to enable your microphone here on your WhatsApp so your microphone can be used on apps. Let's say you're calling somebody on WhatsApp but you're unable to talk to that person because your microphone is not turned on and the person is unable to hear you. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video in just a few steps. But do not forget, consider subscribing if you find my content useful, as it really helps me out. There we go. First things first, let's hop into settings in here, and then down here within settings we do have a lot of settings that we can manage. For example, we can say, hey Instagram, I don't want you to get access to my camera or to my microphone. Or I can simply say, WhatsApp, I don't want you to get permission to access my microphone, but I want phones app or camera app to get access. This is so nice because Apple itself is giving us permission to manage our components on our iPhone device, okay? And this has a lot of relation with privacy. Let's say that you download a strange app that you do not trust, that you do not know who was the publisher or the person who made that specific application. So that app could be spying you by using your camera or your microphone illegally without your consent, in case it's a fraudulent app or a scam app. So it's important for you to deal with permissions on your phone so you can give access to whichever app you wish to give. Now here, once we're on setting, the next thing we're going to do is simply scroll down all the way to privacy and security down here. So you want to hop into privacy and security. Next up, you want to scroll down all the way to microphone. Tap on microphone and boom, here we go. You do have a list of apps that have access to your microphone. For example, I do have Gmail, I do have Instagram, Google Meet, Messenger, WhatsApp, very important and common app that uses microphone. So here you can simply disable microphone to disable a specific app from using your microphone, or simply enable, okay? So since the content of the video is to enable, you just need to hop into here and then turn on all apps if you wish all apps to gain access. Now, if you do have a specific app that you wish to turn on, simply toggle it on here, right side to side to that specific app, okay? That's how easy you can actually turn on the microphone to a specific app. Alternatively, you can also go back into settings, scroll down, tap on apps down here, and then scroll down all the way to that app. For example, here, WhatsApp, let me tap on WhatsApp, and then once you hop into that app, you'll be able to see microphone in here. So all you need to do is toggle it on. In my case, it's already turned on and you'll be good to go. Now, extra, you can also deal with camera, Face ID, and other features as well. You can, for example, tweak a bit here within cellular data. If you don't wish to have a specific app accessing your data, you can also turn that off and manage your phone in an advanced way like a pro. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video. And if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any question or doubts. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.